Hola, 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 Shafiri Uzeta Fetu. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SAT Ski. On this one today, we got you a policy news. But before we jump straight ahead into a policy's news, make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought comment down below the section. And if you are new to the channel, this is the best channel that brings you the latest sports update. On this one today, we got you Pirates say no to Mbogazi's club offer to buy up Olis. We all know Gucci Begezeli Mbogazi has made a move away from Orlando Pirates to MLS League, which is a team known by Chicago Fire. And Soweto Giants Orlando Pirates have reportedly turned down an offer for Oswinapolis to join Chicago Fire in the United States of America. Orlando Pirates reportedly received an offer from Chicago Fire to buy Oswinapolis, but without success, having arrived in July from Polokwane City. The